AR Studio.
This time on the Omega Gene Saga.
Primal rage, Tyrannac, rage, Tyrannac not defeated. Kill ape, must no defeat. Primal rage!
Oh, well, there's the effect. Made him more of a careless kill beast. Great. Just great.
We're on the ground. Now move.
Go! Silent lightning strike! Well now, let's see if I can reverse translate these controls and cause some kitty chaos. Stop punching keys, Zeta. Why are you such a bratty cat?
You are clear to go, Omega Flight. Do you think it's a stand down?
Perhaps. They have been at it for 10 hours.
See what I mean, Agent K?
Right, Agent G. Must be break time.
Not those elite guys. That is what's causing those distant explosions and light flares.
You do not cease to annoy me, warrior. Cinder Slash!
Gamma Glaive! Well, your defeat should really irk you, Spike. What? Where am I? What is going on? Was this a dream? No. The battle. That wretched ape did something to me. Now I remember that strange attack the ape hit me with. My battle suit had to use Antonil to awake me?
Oh boy, he's really pissy now. This energy blast ampage level feels more powerful. This is not good. I'm gonna have to get lethal, it would seem.
It's your own cannon. Fire!
This looks bad, Chief. That only motivates me to try out another of Doc's upgrades. Okay, team, it's show or go time. Keep that shielding charge, Salzar. Target them with grenades, Jake. And Megan, keep us covered.
Drone online. Airstrike ready.
The Omega Gene Saga. To be continued.